Okay, let's talk about connecting your accounting world with your reporting world.
For most finance teams, the answer is a big yes. Your data lives in one place, and the analysis lives somewhere else.
Tally Prime is great for accounting, but making sense of it all usually falls to spreadsheets.
And that kicks off this endless weekly cycle, exporting, pasting, rebuilding charts, you know the drill.
And here's the real kicker. That spreadsheet is pretty much always a little out of date.
It's this gap, right? A disconnect that most finance teams have just learned to accept.
But what if you could finally close that gap? For good.
Meet the Zoho Analytics connector for Tally Prime. It's the bridge that automates everything.
The difference is really night and day. You're swapping that manual grind for scheduled, live dashboards.
So what gets synced? All the important stuff. Ledgers, vouchers, stock summaries, the works.
This means those painful reports, they become live dashboards you can check with your morning coffee.
But just connecting your data, that's really only the beginning of what you can do.
What if, instead of building reports, you could just ask your data questions directly?
That's where Ask Zia comes in. It's an AI that actually understands plain English.
So you can just ask something like this, and boom, Zia builds the report for you instantly.
Zia gets even smarter, too. It automatically finds key patterns and anomalies you might have missed.
So who does this help the most? Well, let's break it down. For small finance teams, it's a huge time saver. For existing Zoho users, it unifies all your data.
And the best part is that getting all of this set up is surprisingly simple.
It's really just 3 steps. Connect the apps, pick your data, and then set your sync schedule.
Plus, you can try out everything we've talked about with a full access 15-day free trial.
So the real question is, what could your finance team achieve if they stopped chasing data?